Hello kids, welcome back on my channel. Today we will do some test and some exercise for the pattern that we learned in the last video. Let's start with the first. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. So we need to find the missing number in the given pattern. So what is the pattern? 8, 11, 14, 17 and then 23. So we need to find the difference between these two digits, two numbers. So 11 minus 8, what will go? 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many numbers we are adding? Plus 3, 17 minus 14 plus 3. So we need to add plus 3 in the next number. 17 plus 3 is 7 plus 3, 7 in the mind, 3 in the hand, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 20. So first answer is C. Okay kids, you understood? The pattern follows plus 3 plus 3. Next is study the given patterns carefully. What will be the number of the keys in pattern 4? So first pattern have the 3 keys. Next pattern have the 5 keys. Next pattern has the 7 keys. So what will be the number of patterns in pattern number 4? 1, 2, 3. So what will be the pattern? So how we can find it? We need to again take difference of this. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So plus 2 we are adding. So after adding 7 plus 2, how much come? 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is B. So answer of second question is B. Next is find the missing alphabet in the given alphabet pattern. So what is the pattern? A, C, E, G, K, M. So which number is missing here? B. So how many alphabets we added? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Then after G we need to skip 1. G, H, then I. So we need to skip it and then next number will be I. So answer of 3 is C, I. Next is which of the following figure will be complete the given pattern? Figure pattern: onion, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower. Onion, tomato, cauliflower. What will come next, children? Tell me the answer. What is repeating? After cauliflower, onion is repeating again. So what will come next? Onion will come. So answer is fourth is A. Next is which of the following options will complete the given figure? If you can see kids, with green we have yellow, orange we have purple. So here again what will come? Green. So we have two options of green. One is with circle in the green, with without, and then we need to check this pattern. Green pattern having no color in the circle part, so circle part having yellow and green. So answer is D. Next is exercise. Let's do it. Directions 1 and 2 question. Find the missing figure in the given pattern. So what will missing here? Chota Bheem, Chutki, I don't know name. So one kid, then another, then repeating here again Chota Bheem, Chutki, Raju. Then what will come? That princess is coming here after Raju. So who will come? This princess will come. So answer is A. Next is cube, cylinder, sphere, cone. Then repeating again what is coming? Cube, cylinder. Understand the pattern where it is start to repeat. So after this the pattern is repeating. Okay. So after cube, what is coming? Cylinder. So answer is D. Next is find the missing number in the given pattern. So we need to first write 21, 31, 41, 51. Then what will be next come? So what is increasing? If you can see that this number is increasing always. So 2 plus 1. So 10 is added always. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. How much come? 51 plus 10 is 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 61 will come here. So answer is A. Next is study the pattern carefully. What will be the number of spoons? So first pattern, how many spoons, kids? 4. Next is 6. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many spoons are increasing? Plus 2 plus 2. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So plus 2 after adding 8 plus 2, how much come? 8 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. So they are here it comes 10. They asking carefully, read the question. They asking for pattern 5. We need to add plus 2 again. So pattern 5. So 10 plus 2 is 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 0, 1. So answer is 12. So pattern 5 is 12. So answer is C. Next is directions for 5 to 7 questions. Which of the following replaces the question mark in the given number patterns? We need to replace the question marks. So arrow is going from 30 to 15. So 10 comes up. What is the pattern here? So 30 minus 15 is 15. So it is double of it. So we need to add 10 plus 10. What will come? 20. And fifth answer is, oh sorry, I did in the wrong way. 32 we are going to 15. So how much we need to subtract? We need to subtract this number only. So this number, how this number make? 15 plus 15, it make 30. So how we get the 10? So we divide the 10 into 5 plus 5, then it will become 10. So answer is A. Next is 11, 3, 8, 12, 2, 10, 10. We need to find this question mark. So other triangles, what is following? Other we have to follow 11, we have to follow, we can, if you can see, if we add 3 plus 8, what is coming? 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, which is in the top triangle. So like that 10 plus 2 giving the 12. So these two number adding give the 12. Then what we need to add, if you can see 5 plus 3 also 8. So what will come for that? What we need to add in the 5, in the 7, that gives the 12. So we need to subtract the 12 minus 7. So subtract it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many numbers we add? 5. So answer will be 5. Answer is C. Next is 7th question. 6, 4, 24, 20 and 40. If you know the table of the 6 multiply 4 is 24. Then 20 in 2's table, when is come 4? In 2 times we get the 4. So 20 multiplied 2 is 40. So answer is D. Next is, in the question below there is a relationship between the numbers In the first and second row, find the missing number. First row is saying 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row is saying 6, 12, 15. So kids, what is the number? What number will become here? If you can see there in first row, we have 2 multiply 3. 2 in 2's table. 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 multiply 2, 4. 2 multiply 3, 6. So in 3 times it gives 6. If you can learn, if you can read 3 skip counting. So 3 3s is 9. 4 3s is 12. 5 3s is 15. So what we get? 3. So 3 3s is 9. So 9 is the answer. B. Answer is B. Next is and will come in place of x and y respectively. So we learned that this is a Sudoku type question in which you need to find the missing values. So here if you can see that in this row and in this column, what is missing? This chocolate, red chocolate is missing. So x value is chocolate. So next is in y, there is in this row and this column, what is missing? We're missing this cookie, so cookie will be the answer. So ninth answer is B. Which is the next figure? Smiley, sad, smiley, sad, smiley, sad, smiley, sad, smiley, sad. After each smiley, what is coming? Sad face. So what will come? Sad face at which direction? If you can see, if a smiley at left side, it's then smile sad also and the same side. If this is, and after its position is changed, so sad will become in the, smiley will come in the right side. So 10th answer is D. Next is triangle inside the circle, circle inside the square, square inside the triangle. So again pattern repeating itself. This, after this, then what will come? Triangle inside the square. 11th ka C. Don't confuse with that is not in the pattern, so it will not come. Next is transformer, doll, toy, duck, then it repeating again and again. Then after doll is coming duck, so answer is C. Next is find the missing number if the same rule is followed in the 3 figures. 1, 3, 7, 12, 2. So what is coming? If you add these numbers, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So 13 is in the middle. If you can add 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, then kids 15 is in the middle. Then what will come in the next? Let's add 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So 13 answer is B. Next is find the missing number if certain rule is followed by the row wise, either row wise and column wise. So kids, do this question yourself and give me the answer in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. Follow and share.